Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to edit Control Center on iPhone iOS 26. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to edit your Control Center on your iOS 26 iPhone, all you simply need to do is swipe down the Control Center at the top right. Then click on the plus button at the top left. At the same time, you can press and hold the Control Center to make it editable. Then go ahead and click on Add a Control. Once you click on Add a Control, you should see all available controls. So go ahead and click on the control you want to add to the Control Center. Then you should see the control added. Now click outside to save changes. If you now scroll through the Control Center, you'll be able to see the new control you added to the Control Center. You can also add multiple pages to the Control Center. So by swiping down, you can add more pages. And then just go ahead and click on Add a Control to add a control. And that's it. So that's exactly how to edit Control Center on iPhone iOS 26. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.